Hello, this is a small experiment for the power steering system in Marduk. I've got an old car battery over here. I've got some jumper cables and an old starter motor from a tractor. The motor's a little weird because the mounting bracket is one of the terminals for the motor, and this is the other terminal. So, when you connect the negative lead, off it goes. And if you switch the polarity, the motor will go the other way. The plan is to put a sort of a reel on the end of this. That way it can loop up all the rope from the power steering knuckles and make it go back and forth, powered by a battery. And in the mech I'll be having a multimeter or something similar to monitor the voltage. That way when you're inside you know how much voltage you have left. I still have to figure out the cutout voltage for the motor, but it's probably around 9 volts because it's meant for a 12 volt motor. And when it was in the tractor, whenever it would get under about 11 volts, it wouldn't be able to turn the engine. But I'm not trying to turn an engine, I'm just trying to loop up some rope. So there's going to be a double reel on the end, probably 3D printed. And that way one for each side and the ropes don't get all tangled. But that is all for today, so I'll be playing with these dangerous voltages until next time. Bye-bye.